like these, bro.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Come on, bro. You want to sneak at that, bro? Woo.
¿Necesita algo más?
No, está bien así. Es todo.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
See this setup, bro? You don't got no. Yeah, bro. Junk go hard. 400? Let me see these junks. Up.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Woo! Alright, let me get these, bro. Let me get these.